What's up, everybody? This is Teacher Israel from Evolution Series. Today, we will talk about contrast connectors. Remember that you have to do all your autonomous activities using your digital and printed books. Contrast connectors. Contrast connectors are used to present a contradiction between ideas. This is where connectors such as however, even though, but, although, on the other hand, and at the same time, takes place. Recuerden, como su nombre lo indica, que al ser conectores de contraste, tienen que contrastar la información entre la oración 1 y la oración 2. Let's see. However, there are some students at school. However, they don't have classes. But there are 10 chairs outside, but they need maintenance. Even so, there are some buildings downtown. Even though this is a small city. Although there are a few museums in town, they are not open. On the other hand, there are not a lot of restaurants. On the other hand, there are a lot of stores. Instead, there were some cinemas instead of theaters. Ahora bien, en su libro tendrán que escribir cada uno de los ejemplos que pusimos, pero no solo eso. Sugiero que analicen la forma en que cada uno de los conectores de contraste fueron utilizados, ya que en muchas ocasiones, y ahorita que estamos hablando precisamente de tiempo pasado y presente, es una comparación, vamos a utilizar mayormente el but, agregándole una expresión de tiempo que sería now. But now, para decir, pero ahora. Thank you.